In this video, we will show you how to replace your fuel filler neck on this Dodge Ram. This will be mounted directly behind your left rear fender. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up your fuel filler door. The next thing that we'll do is make our way right over here to the fuel cap, turn that counterclockwise to remove it. Give the gasket a quick inspection and set it aside. Now behind that cap, you'll find that you have 4 Phillips head screws making their way all the way around. We'll use our Phillips head to remove each of these. Inspect the hardware as you remove it, replace it as necessary. Now that we've completed one of the bolts, do the same to all the rest. Once you've done that, let's safely make our way under the vehicle. From under this area, we'll be looking for our fuel filler hose where it connects onto the fuel filler neck. On this, you'll find that you can either use a flathead or you can use a 7mm socket to loosen it. We'll move along to our return hose. At this point, we can start separating the hoses from the filler neck. We'll be using an angled pick to break it free. Now we can take hold of the hose and the fuel filler neck and separate the two. There's one. As we remove each one of these hoses, you want to give them a quick inspection, make sure they're soft and pliable, and they're not torn, worn, or damaged in any way. Now we can take that fuel filler neck, we'll swing it towards the front of the vehicle here, and we can start removing the final aspect. Pull it right down here. Now we can remove this from the vehicle. There it is, friends. All right, let's get ready to install our brand new fuel filler neck. We'll be taking this, we'll put it in position and start on both of our hoses. Now we can get our filler neck aligned with the filler housing here. We'll just slide this over and put it in position. Now once you feel as though you have that aligned properly, let's make our way back to the outside and start in all 4 of our mounting bolts. Let's start in all 4 of these mounting screws. Once we have them all started, we can snug them up. Right there is bottomed out. Let's make sure it's snug. You don't need to apply too much pressure on this. You don't want to strip anything out. Let's start putting our clamps back in the original position, and we'll make sure they're nice and snug. You want to make sure they're nice and tight so you don't have a fuel leak. Double check to make sure both of your hoses are secured. Now we can reinstall our fuel cap on this. We'll listen for a click and close the door. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.